So if you want to install the NVM on Windows, you have to go to github.com/corybutler/nvm windows page, and over there you will find one installer. So you can see there use the latest installer. So just go to this link and download the installer and install that. Then you have to restart your code editor, whatever it is, PowerShell, and then you can use this command. Once the NVM is installed, you should be able to use it. So to use that, just go here and on the command prompt and then type nvm dash dash version, and it should list down the version of nvm like that. To see the list of all the Node.js origins that are installed on your laptop, you can use this command called as nvm list, and it will list down all the Node versions that are available. It also shows which version is currently selected. So you can see that this version 16.15.1 is currently in use because there is a star right in front of it. If you want to switch between different versions, you can use this command nvm use and then version number and then hit enter. After you hit enter, security prompts are shown in Windows. So you have to click on OK, and then you should be able to use latest version of Node. That's it. Now you can see that I'm using Node 18.16.1. That's all. Thanks for watching.